Hello everyone, I'm T.S. Little and I'd like to invite you to this course on SATYA, sensory awareness training for yoga. And for years I've put together a body of work that's therapeutic, that's very yin, and that is healing for the tissues. So in this particular course you're going to learn the myofascial meridians, how we can work with the nerves, the organs, and the glands to create optimal health. So for aging yogis, for people with injury, for people with fatigue, and for people with imbalances left to right, this particular training course will give you many tools to work with your students if you're a teacher, or for your own body, as I've used it in my healing over the years. And so we're going to study the lower back, because so many people in our culture have lower back pain, and how the unwindings, the undulations, and the sliding, gliding movements, which many of you I think have practiced to date, how they're comprehensively organized and sequenced, and how they build in complexity, many movements, many combinations of movements. Really, this is such a brilliant body of work and big body of work that I'd like to share with you, and you'll find that you can integrate it into your practice for years to come. So please join me for the SATYA immersion